Hey guys, how are you? Good morning. This is once again, I'm back with some new information. I guess you already know me now. I'm Chittaranjan Dunake, founder and CEO of an award winning company, Triface International. Today I am going to talk about the basics of 3D animation. Well, last time I talked about 2D animation, so I explained you that 2D animation is something kind of a static image, flat images moving in motion gives the illusion that it's animation. Now 3D animation basic it is same, but whatever you see in 3D animation is something like three-dimensional. So yeah, 2D animation you can create using hand-drawn pictures also, but 3D animation you cannot make with the hand-drawn picture. So there are specialized tools which do that job. So now what are the major parts of 3D animation? Let me talk to you about that. The first thing comes modeling. So once you decide that what you want to do, what scene you want to create, then you do the first job, that is called modeling. In a tool, in a software, you create a 3D model. It could be a person, it could be boxes, it could be anything, any prop which or character which comes in your sequence that you can model. Modeling you do on geometry and the software does it on geometry. Now after modeling, your model is ready. Now what will you do? Then it comes texturing, because you want to give it a realistic look. So wood should look like a wood. Then if it is a wooden box, you will give a wood texture to that box and then it will look realistic wood box. And similarly, if you are making character, then in that case your character will have human, or if it is animal, then animal texturing, and it will become your texturing part. Okay, now texturing is done. You did modeling, you did texturing, that means your models are ready. Now what will you do? Now you will do rigging. Now what is rigging? Rigging is that you make your skeleton, if it is a human figure, then you make your skeleton movable, which helps or allow animator to do animation with the help of rigging. So that is why it is very important. Actually, you put together your rigging points in the model and we call it handles. So with those handles, the animator can give animation. So after that, as I said, after that it comes to animation. So animation is whatever you rigged in model, you will give expressions, movements, actions. For example, if it is a running scene, then you will make him run, you will making him jump, you will making him dive, anything you like you can do after the rigging is done. So that is called animation. Now probably you have background ready, you have character ready. So now what left? The left thing is to make it real, you need to give lighting. So you will set. So now it turns off lighting. So what is the role of lighting? Lighting will give the realistic. I mean, if your scene is outside, the outdoor, then you will be using sunlight. So wow, it will look like that sun is reflecting on everything in the scene, and it will just look like a pretty beautiful morning day. And that you can do with the lighting. For same way, you can make it. You can create night scene, you can create ambient light, you can create any kind of light you want. And these days the softwares are so smart that you can create as real as possible, almost reality, almost perfect. So this is what the lighting does. Now what comes after lighting? After lighting it comes rendering. So what is rendering? So whatever we have done so far in above steps, it is still on your interface of the software. It is in the form of mathematical geometry. You cannot show as a scene to somebody and he will not understand. So you will have to make it in picture format, that real life picture format. So that process does the rendering. It converts the interface geometry to pixel images, and then obviously, as you know, once you have image, you can move them on certain speed and it will look like a moving picture. So these are the basic steps of 3D animation. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, you may share it, you may like it, and you can come back for the next video and enjoy the life. You know more about animation with me. So for now, till now, goodbye from Chittaranjan. See you in next video. Bye bye.